Hello everyone, I'm Akif Nawaz. I welcome you all to Expert Tutors. As we had started our discussion on conditional sentences, and we discussed that we have different types: zero conditionals, type 1, type 2, and mixed conditional sentences. Here our focus will be on zero conditionals, and we will be discussing the usage of it, examples, structure, and tense. That how these four things are really important in order to understand zero conditional. So the first thing is, zero conditional sentences are used in order to talk about universal truths, facts, and things that are realistic in nature. So we don't talk about any imaginary scenario or situation. So this is how zero conditionals are used. Now, if you look at the examples, that if you heat ice, it melts. Now here there are two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. And if we look at the usage of it, so this is actually a fact. If you heat ice either in your country or any other country or any part of the world, definitely it will melt, no matter what. The second thing is, if the sun sets, it's the if clause, it gets dark. Again, here we have the if clause and the main clause. So this is also a universal truth. So here from the examples we got the idea that universal truths, facts, and things that are realistic in nature are discussed under the term zero conditionals. Now if you look at the structure of it, the first if clause will always be the condition, and the main clause will talk about the result of that condition. Again, the last thing which is very important is the tense. Now tense, why am I saying that? That tense is highly or immensely important because of the fact it categorizes different types of conditional sentences. So in zero conditionals, we have the first one if. The if clause will always be in present simple tense, and the main clause again will also be in present simple tense. Now if you look at these examples, if you heat ice, again it's a present simple tense. It melts, now it is also a present simple tense. So I hope you would have got the idea that in zero conditionals we talk about universal truths, facts, things that are realistic in nature. And the structure is, we have a condition and at the same time we have a result in there, and the tense is both the clauses must be written in present simple tenses. So I hope you would have got the idea. In our upcoming lecture, we'll be talking about type 1. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. And don't forget to follow and subscribe Expert Tutors and Akif Nawaz on YouTube. Thank you so much.